Russia may develop the sixth-generation fighter jet under the MiG-Sukhoi joint brand, Rostec Aviation Cluster Industrial Director Anatoly Serdyakov said on Tuesday. Possibly, this will be so, the fighter produced by the MiG-Sukhoi. But so far, all the work is at the stage of discussions and it is early to speak about details, Serdyakov said in an interview with RBC Media Group, replying to a question about the brand, under which the new fighter would be created. Then Deputy Prime Minister of Russia Dmitry Rogozin announced in March 2016 that Russia had launched work on the sixth-generation combat plane. Rogozin said at the time that the Sukhoi Design Bureau had submitted a preliminary project for creating the sixth-generation fighter. Among the typical characteristics of the sixth-generation fighter, specialists note its capability to perform combat missions without human participation and its artificial intelligence, the availability of a radio-photonic radar, the ability to develop hypersonic speed and fly into the near-Earth space and employ weapons based on new physical principles. Russian Aerospace Force ex-commander-in-chief, chairman of the Federation Council's Defense and Security Committee Viktor Bondarev earlier told TASS that the Russian armed forces would be switching to the sixth-generation hardware, including strike drones, smoothly and gradually, after getting convinced in the reliability of previous-generation aircraft.